Hello South Africa. Here is a list of cars currently manufactured in South Africa. A total of 16 distinct car models are currently being made by 9 major vehicle manufacturers in South Africa. After their downfall in 2020 and 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the local manufacturing industry bounced back and rolled out over 500,000 new vehicles in the previous year. Car manufacturing contributed 2.4% of South Africa's gross domestic product, GDP, in 2021 and supported over 110,000 jobs. This is according to a report from the National Association for Automobile Manufacturers of South Africa, NAAMSA. Many of the cars made in South Africa are top sellers locally, including the Ford Ranger, Toyota Hilux, and Volkswagen Polo, further supporting the 1.9% GDP contributed through retail vehicle sales. South Africa has had much greater success assembling globally appealing cars from well-established brands. Although General Motors and Chrysler no longer operate local plants, other heavyweights that set up locally after Ford and VW were Mercedes-Benz, 1958, Toyota, 1962-1963, Nissan, 1966, BMW cars, 1973, Isuzu, 2002, initially by General Motors, Hyundai, 2014 and Mahindra, 2018. 351,785 of the 555,889 cars made in South Africa were exported for sale elsewhere. However, South Africa's vehicle manufacturing industry is facing an imminent threat due to a switchover from internal combustion vehicles to new energy vehicles. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.